Hey there, everyone. How's it going? It's Hannah here, back with another super quick and easy tutorial for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to print an Excel worksheet neatly onto just one page. Does that sound good? Great! Let's dive right in, and I promise it'll be a breeze. First, look up at the top of your Excel window. See that tab called Page Layout? Go ahead and click on it. Just one left click will do the trick. Now, in the Page Setup section, there's a tiny little arrow in the bottom right corner. This is the button that lets you expand all the page setup options. Go ahead and click on that arrow. Once the Page Setup window pops up, look for the area that says Fit To. This is the magic setting that will shrink or adjust your sheet to fit perfectly onto one page when printed. Set the width to 1 page wide. Set the height to 1 page tall. This means Excel will scale everything to fit nicely on one single page. No extra bits spilling over onto a second page. Once you've made those changes, just click OK at the bottom of the window. And that's it. You're all set. Now, when you go to print, your worksheet will be perfectly sized to fit on one page, no matter how big it is. I hope this quick tip helps you out. It's a handy little trick to make your printed sheets look super polished. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I can't wait to see you back here for the next tutorial. Until then, happy excelling and take care.